So that means shut up! And hey guys, it's Matthew back here once again in another video, and today we're here with how I make my YouTube videos. Oh my god, that light is triggering me. There's a light behind me and it's shining on my screen and it's like annoying the life out of me. Oh, that's really annoying. No, I can't stay here. Ugh. Anyway, so I'm just going to discuss how I make them, what I use to make them, what editing software I use, because I get a lot of comments being like, oh my god, like, how do you edit your videos, and like, what do you record it on, and I'll just give you a video, okay? I first started recording my videos on an iPhone 4S, and that was quite good. I think I got like 720p quality, which at the time was quite good, because that was 3 years ago, but now I get this HD, which is like 1080p, which is, yeah, HD. Well, it's like standard now, but it's technically SD, but it's HD, you know what I mean? 1080p is pretty much standard now, like 720p used to be standard, and now it's like 1080p standard. So I'm just kind of keeping up to date, keeping my videos looking a bit more fresh. So now I record on my iPad Pro, which I have opened on YouTube, and that was kind of one of the reasons I got it, because I had a way better camera, so I can record way better videos. But also just because so many other reasons why I got it. Literally everything I do for my videos is through this iPad that you are not seeing, but that's recording this. Everything in my YouTube, I use iMovie to edit everything, and editing takes forever, but yeah, you can also use, there's another one, but it costs like 20 quid, and I'm just not about that life. Like, 20 quid for editing software? No thanks, I'd much rather have it for free. iMovie is definitely a solid editing software. I hope to like someday get a better editing software, because then I can do so much more. Oh, I can do so much more cool like effects and stuff, I don't know. But I don't know if I can really be bothered. That's pretty much, like, that's literally it. I have no tripod. Like, no. Because I just set this anywhere. Literally right now it's just sitting on top of a blanket. Like, that's what I do. Literally, like, I'm the basicest? I'm the most basic when it comes to making like YouTube videos. I'm literally just like, anything will do. To upload my videos, I then use my iPad once again. So I just use the YouTube app and upload it, and then, oh, also, well, I download, I get the instrumental versions of songs and then insert them into my video to make them like better and not copyright strikeable. At least I'm really hoping. Like, imagine if my channel got big one day and then they were literally like, remove all your videos because they're all copywritten. That would be the worst thing in the world. Don't use actual songs as background music, because you will get a copyright strike. So yeah, so I just use the instrumental versions, which I think is fine. And I speed them up sometimes, which also just means that they are more definitely, like, they can't copyright strike you for using the sped up instrumental version of a song. They can't do that. So there you go. That's what I use for my background music. And then when it comes to uploading, I use this iPad once again. So I just use the YouTube app. Then I use YouTube Creator Studio. I don't know, I think it might just be Creator Studio, I don't know. But or YouTube Studio, I don't know. But it's an app on, if you look up something like that, it'll come up on your app store. I don't know if it's, I don't think, maybe it is on Android, I don't know. Everything for me is like Apple, so I don't know anything about the Android versions. But so yeah, so I use Creator Studio to put in my tags, well, I don't use my title. I put my title in and my description in with when I'm uploading on the YouTube app, and then for the shush. Oh my god, that really scared me there. I thought it was someone's birthday, but it's not. Oh, I put in my thumbnail on Creator Studio, and if you're wondering how I create my thumbnails, I use an app called Procreate, which I think is like a $5, maybe £6, maybe a $10. I don't know. I don't really remember. I bought it so long ago. Maybe like, oh my god, it's like nearly a year ago. But everything for my YouTube is through this iPad. So the iPad Pro can get Procreate. No, I don't think any other iPads can, except the Pros. I'm not sure, but they can get them, but they're not supported because of Alphabet. So anyway. So I take like so I'll record a video of like me going like, or like something like that, and then I'll like cut around myself and paste it onto like a background, and then I'll put like different things in it, as you can see from the thumbnail of this video. I don't know what'll go on it, probably like a like a video, I don't know what I'm saying, like a camcorder emoji or something. Like I usually put in a good emoji just for like good measure. Creator Studio pretty much is the god of all apps when it comes to YouTube, because you can just check everything on it. You can check your analytics, you can check analytics, I don't know, analytics I would say. You can check your videos, how they're doing, you can check your likes, I don't know, you can check everything pretty much, except for like some things that you do need the computer for. But I've pretty much replaced my computer with this, so that makes it, shut up! But that makes it really easy to for me to make my videos, because I just record them on this, put them onto iMovie, put them onto YouTube, and then go onto YouTube Studio and do all the extra stuff and get it all ready. And then after that, as you know, I go onto Instagram and I post my thumbnail and with all the tags, and then see what happens. I post it to Snapchat as well, and then that's pretty much it. Like that is what I do for my videos. That's how you see them, and that's the process. It takes a long time. It would take, I don't know, like probably 10 hours a video or less, maybe like 8 hours, 6 hours, 6 to like 8 hours per average video, and like a 10-hour to 12-hour period for like a reaction video, because reaction videos are so difficult. You have to like record 2 videos at the same time, and you have to get them to run at the same time, so it's, oh my god. And when I was editing the last one, I was making it, and then I went off it and went back on, and all the reaction clips, or the like original video clips that I was like reacting to, they all moved, and that means you have to move them all back into like where you were reacting to. And it was just it was a whole big mess. I was like 2 Matthews talking at one time, and no one wants that. The world would like blow up. But yeah, so anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for anyone. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And if you have any more questions about what I do, any more specific details about how I make my videos, then just comment down below, or just comment down below. Don't do anything else, because that's just the easiest for me. And I will definitely reply, because I always reply, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!